Lundberg Family Farms Organic Quinoa Tricolor Blend is my pick of the week. I love this. I have to admit I actually love all of Lundberg's foods. This is smart. Lundberg, known for their rice crackers, has started growing organic quinoa, one of my favorite grains that's a great source of protein, fiber, and iron, and delicious. Add to your recipes or just sprinkle on oatmeal, salads, whatever. 1/4 cup, 170 calories, 6 grams of protein, and 2 grams of naturally occurring sugars. The ingredients are simple, just organic quinoa. Nothing more, and it's 100% whole grain. Retails for $7.99 for a 1-pound package. Total score is 96. For complete product information, just log on to supermarketguru.com.